All right, we are less than 2 weeks away from Christmas, and if you're still trying to find the perfect gift, we have you covered for this morning. SMORE Magazine is showcasing some unique STEM items that are targeted for young ladies.
Okay, so joining us this morning to talk about these items is a founder of SMORE Magazine, Sarita Menon. Thank you for coming on the show. And we have some great gifts here. Then some of these for your little scientist that's in your household, right? So let's talk about first about a scope and some of your girls' products that you have.
So if you have somebody in your house who's a kid and just is using up all the baking soda and vinegar at home, and this would be the perfect science kit for them. It's from Yellow Scope, and it comes with everything a young budding scientist would need. So it has all the supplies, it has all the instructions for them to set up their experiment and do it, and it's very fun, hands-on experiment option.
Okay.
Another